Welcome 12th standard science student. Good morning. Subject chemistry. Unit alcohols, phenols and ether. Subunit methods of preparation and physical properties of alcohols and phenols. Preparation of alcohols. First reaction A. From alkyl halide by hydrolysis of aqueous alkali or moist silver oxide. First reaction alkyl halide Rx reacted with aqueous NaOH sodium hydroxide heat it will form ROH plus NaX, or Rx plus aqueous KOH potassium hydroxide heat ROH plus KX. Next reaction Rx plus AgOH aqueous moist Ag2O or AgOH aqueous heat will form ROH plus AgX. In this reaction from alkyl halide we prepared alcohol. B. By acid catalyzed hydration of alkene, in that addition of sulfuric acid. Alkene react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid to form alkyl hydrogen sulfate ROSO3H. The addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. Alkene C double bond C reacted with cold concentrated HOSO3H, formation of CH bonded with C OSO3H, alkyl hydrogen sulfate. Example, ethene reacted with cold concentrated sulfuric acid CH2 double bond CH2 HOSO3H, formation of CH3 CH2 OSO3H, ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Or propene CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus H2SO4, formation of CH3 CH OSO3H bonded with CH3, isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. If the alkyl hydrogen sulfate is diluted with water and heated, then an alcohol having same alkyl group as the original alkyl hydrogen sulfate is obtained. This is an excellent method for a large scale manufacture of alcohol. Look at C. CH3 CH2 OSO3H reacted with water H2O H bond OH heat, formation of CH3 CH2 OH ethanol plus H2SO4. Or isopropyl hydrogen sulfate CH3 CH OSO3H CH3 reacted with heat and water, formation of CH3 CH OH CH3 propane 2OL plus H2SO4. Reactive alkenes on adding water molecules in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid form alcohols. The addition of water takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule, and this reaction is known as hydration of alkene. 2-methyl prop 1-ene CH3 CH3 double bond CH2 plus H2O H plus addition, formation of CH3 CH3 OH CH3. Here these reactions form 2-methyl prop 1-ene to form 2-methyl propane 2OL, formation of Markovnikov's rule. That means it will form a Markovnikov's rule. Preparation of alcohol. C. Hydroboration, oxidation of alkene. Hydroboration, oxidation of alkene. In alkene with diborane in tetrahydroform THF solvent undergo hydroboration to form trialkyl borane, which on oxidation with alkaline peroxide to form primary alcohol, and the overall reaction gives anti-Markovnikov's product to form unsymmetrical alkene. That means alkene 6 times C double bond C reacted with diborane BH3 twice arrow THF, formation of twice of trialkyl borane, thrice of C bond C, thrice bonded with that B. That means it is reactant reacted alkene 6 times. Again, this trialkyl borane reacted with that OH bond OH, it will form that the CH3 CH2 OH or C bond OH alcohol plus BOH thrice. Example, 6 times of ethene CH2 double bond CH2 reacted with diborane BH3 twice plus THF solvent, that is tetrahydrofuran, formation of twice of CH3 CH2 thrice B. That means this twice of CH3 CH2 thrice B triethyl borane reacted with 3 OH bond and NaOH, formation of 6 times of CH3 CH2 OH ethanol plus twice of BOH thrice. Next reaction, propene CH3 CH double bond CH2 reacted with diborane BH3 twice, THF tetrahydrofuran solvent, formation of tri-N-propyl borane with thrice of OH NaOH, formation of thrice of product CH3 CH2 CH2OH propane 1OL plus BOH thrice. This is hydroboration, oxidation of alkene. For that, mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of alkene involving 3 steps. Step first, formation of carbocation intermediate. Over the carbon-carbon double bond, H3O plus, first this bond attaching to that hydrogen, and next to that this bond goes to that oxygen. It will form H2O plus CH3C plus bonded with 2 bonds, with carbon carrying positive charge. Next step, second, nucleophilic attack of H2O on C plus. Again, oxygen are having 2 lone pairs of water molecules. It will be O attaching to that C positive carbon. It will form C bonded with 3 hydrogen, another C bonded with 2 hydrogen, and this oxygen will be attaching to that carbon, oxygen having positive charge. Step third, deprotonation. C bonded with 3 hydrogen bond with C bonded with 2 hydrogen and 1 water molecule, in that oxygen are having positive. This bond goes to this side, formation of CH3C CH2OH plus H3O plus. Preparation of alcohols D by reduction of carbonyl compounds, in that by reduction of aldehydes and ketone. Aldehyde on reduction by H2O or nickel or LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride give primary alcohols. Similarly, ketone on reduction with H2O or nickel or LiAlH4 gives secondary alcohol. You can see aldehyde RCHO reacted with H2O oblique nickel or palladium heat do you form RCH2OH primary alcohol. Second thing, RCHO aldehyde reacted with lithium aluminum hydrate LiAlH4 plus H3O plus formation of RCH2OH primary alcohol. Second general reaction, ketone RCOR reacted with H2 oblique nickel or palladium heat formation of RCHROH secondary alcohol, or ketone reacted with lithium aluminum hydrate LiAlH4 plus H3O plus formation of RCHROH secondary alcohol. Second, by reduction of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid requires a strong reducing agent LiAlH4 to form primary alcohol. RCO C double bond OH lithium aluminum hydrate plus H3O plus formation of RCH2OH. However, lithium aluminum hydrate LiAlH4 is an expensive reagent. Therefore, commercially acids are first transformed into ester, which on catalytic hydrogenation to give a primary alcohol RCHO COOH plus R-OH reversible arrow H plus formation of ester RCOOR- plus H2O. Again RCOOR- reacted with that twice of H2 nickel or palladium heat formation of RCH2OH plus R-OH. Remember that the advantages of lithium aluminum hydrate over H2 or nickel is that it does not reduce the isolated olefinic bond, and hence it can be reduced unsaturated aldehyde and ketone to a unsaturated alcohol. This will be the advantages of lithium aluminum hydrate. Therefore, aldehyde get converted into primary alcohol, ketone get converted into secondary alcohol, or acid get converted into primary alcohol. Or here question, predict the product type question, and its solution are given here. Preparation of alcohols. E. By addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde and ketone. Grignard reagent react with aldehyde or ketone to form an adduct, which on hydrolysis with dilute acid gives the corresponding alcohol. Bond C double bond O bond. Carbon are having delta positive, double bond O delta negative. Reacted with RMgX. R having delta negative, Mg are having delta positive. This R joins to that C double bond O. That time these bonds open, and this negative charge of that oxygen will be bonded. This positive charge attack with that negative charge. Formation of RC bond CR bond OMgX adduct H3O plus formation of bond C bond R OH plus MgXOH. Predict the product of the following reaction. This reaction CH3CH double bond CH bond CH2 bond CHO nickel H2O gives CH3 CH2 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 4 times of CH2 here bonded with that OH. On second, LiAlH4 plus H3O plus will form CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH2 OH. The substrate of A contain an isolated carbon-carbon double bond and an aldehyde group. In nickel and H2O can reduce both these functional groups. while lithium aluminum hydrate can reduce only to CHO of the two. That means it will form two products. This reaction is useful for synthesis of that alcohol. In that next table, preparation of alcohol by Grignard reagent, aldehyde and ketone. Formaldehyde reacted with RMgX, final product RCH2OH, primary alcohol type of alcohol. Then aldehyde R-CHO reacted with RMgX, formation of here final product secondary alcohol. The type of alcohol is secondary RCHR-OH. Then aldehyde here ketone RCO R-CO R double dash reacted with RMgX, formation of CR R dash R double dash, that OH type of alcohol will be tertiary. Here primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol can be prepared by using the Grignard reagent RMgX. Epoxide react with Grignard reagent followed by the acidic hydrolysis to give a primary alcohol CH2O RMgX. It will form RCH2CH2OMgX H3O plus, formation of CH3CH2CH2OH plus MgXOH. Quick review: methods of preparation of alcohol. Ethyl halide aqueous NaOH heat, formation of CH3CH2OH ethanol, primary alcohol. Ethene H2SO4 cold and concentrated, formation of ethanol. Ethene CH211CH2 rise of H2O2 OH minus, formation of ethanol CH3CH2OH. Acetaldehyde CH3CHO H2 nickel palladium or lithium aluminum hydrate LiAlH4, formation of CH3CH2OH ethanol, primary alcohol. Acetic acid CH3COOH lithium aluminum hydrate H3O plus or Na2H5OH, formation of CH3CH2OH ethanol, primary alcohol. Ethyl acetate CH3COO CH2CH3 H2 nickel palladium, formation of CH3CH2OH ethanol, primary alcohol. Preparation of phenols. Preparation of phenol A from chlorobenzene Dawes process. Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at high temperature and pressure 623 Kelvin and 150 atmospheric pressure, followed by the treatment with dilute HCl to obtain a phenol. See, chlorobenzene in reactant reacted with NaOH 623 Kelvin 150 atmosphere. First form sodium phenoxide. Benzene ring which attaching O minus Na plus, that means the sodium phenoxide plus H3O plus arrow, it's showing phenol, benzene ring attaching to that OH. B from cumene. In this is the commercial method for the preparation of a phenol. Cumene isopropyl benzene on air oxidation in presence of co-naphthalate gives cumene hydroperoxide, which on decomposition with dilute acid gives phenol with an acetone as an valuable byproduct. See the structure in reactant cumene, benzene ring attaching to that CH3CH, benzene ring, other CH3, reacted with air at 423 co-naphthalate, formation of cumene hydroperoxide, That means this benzene ring CH3COOH, other side CH3. Again arrow, dilute HCl and heat, formation of phenol plus acetone CH3CO CH3. Cumene obtained phenol. C. From the benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid on neutralization by NaOH gives a sodium benzene sulfonate, which on fusion with solid NaOH at 573 Kelvin gives sodium phenoxide, followed by the reaction with dilute acid gives phenol. Benzene sulfonic acid SO3H, arrow NaOH, formation of sodium benzene sulfonate. Benzene ring attaching SO3 minus Na plus. Arrow NaOH 523 Kelvin, formation of sodium phenoxide. Benzene ring attaching O minus Na plus. Again arrow dilute HCl, formation of phenol. That means benzene sulfonic acid to phenol. D. From aniline. Aniline is treated with a nitrous acid in bracket NaNO2 plus HCl at low temperature to obtain benzene diazonium chloride, which on hydrolysis gives phenol. Aniline, benzene ring attaching to that NH2 plus HNO2, arrow NaNO2 HCl 273 Kelvin temperature, first from sodium benzene diazonium chloride, benzene ring NO2 plus Cl minus, arrow H2O heat, formation of phenol plus N2. Aniline obtained to form a phenol. Quick review method of preparation of phenol. First, chlorobenzene, NaNO2 623 150 atmospheric pressure, Dawes process H3O plus to obtain a phenol. Second, benzene sulfonic acid SO3H, which attaching to that benzene, NaOH 573 Kelvin H plus to obtain a phenol. Third, cumene, benzene ring CH3CH, benzene ring CH3 O2 oblique cobalt naphthalate 423 Kelvin H plus commercial method to obtain a phenol. And last, aniline, NaNO2 HCl 273 Kelvin H2O heat diazotization to form a phenol. Physical properties of alcohols and phenol. A. Nature of intermolecular forces. Alcohols and phenols are very polar molecules due to the presence of bond OH group. The polar OH groups are held together by the strong intermolecular force, namely hydrogen bond. Look at C. Alcohol ROH, OR having delta negative, HR having delta positive. This oxygen of delta negative, which will be bonded to other side of ROH of H delta positive, O delta negative. Due to this alcohol showing a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Same thing in phenol. Phenol of OH group, oxygen are having delta negative, hydrogen are having delta positive, which will be bonded to other side of phenol of H delta positive and O delta negative of that phenol. That means intermolecular hydrogen bonding in physical properties of alcohols and phenol. B. Physical state. Lower alcohol are colorless, toxic liquid having characteristic alcoholic odor. Pure phenol is colorless, toxic, low melting solid having characteristic carbolic or phenolic odor. C. Boiling point. The boiling point of alcohol and phenol increases with increasing their molecular mass. D. Solubility. Phenols are lower alcohol having up to 3 carbon, show appreciable solubility in water due to their ability to form a intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecules. Look at C. the intermolecular hydrogen bonding of ROH and AROH. That means first ROH will be form that O delta negative H delta positive, which will be bonded to that other side of H2O. H delta positive, O delta negative, H delta positive. That means AROH in that O delta negative, H delta positive. This ARO bonded with H2O, H delta positive, O delta negative, due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding of ROH and AROH. Next thing, the question showing the increasing order of the bond polarity. Physical properties of alcohols and phenol. Table: melting point, boiling or boiling point, solubilities of some alcohols and phenol. Here name, formula, melting point degree Celsius, boiling point degree Celsius, solubility gram per 100 grams H2O. From this methyl alcohol formula CH3OH, melting point, boiling point and solubility mentioned. Now ethyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, phenol, paracresol, orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. These formulae: melting point degree Celsius, boiling point degree Celsius and solubility in gram per 100 grams of water, here mentioned in that table. In this way, from this table, the melting point and boiling point and also solubility goes on increasing from the methyl alcohol to para nitrophenol. Problem: the boiling point of N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol and tertiary butyl alcohol are 118 degrees Celsius, 108 degrees Celsius, 99 degrees Celsius and 82 degrees Celsius respectively. Explain. Solution: as the branching increases, intermolecular van der Waals force become weaker and the boiling point decreases. Therefore, N-butyl alcohol has highest boiling point 118 degrees Celsius. Tertiary butyl alcohol has lowest boiling point 83. Isobutyl alcohol is a primary alcohol and hence the boiling point is higher than that of the secondary alcohol. Next problem: solubility of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol is 0.2 gram and 1.7 gram per 100 grams of water H2O respectively. Explain the difference. Look at see the orthonitrophenol, intermolecular hydrogen bonding in orthonitrophenol and intermolecular hydrogen bonding in paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol are OH group and NO2 group are far away from each other. Paranitrophenol has a strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding with solvent water. On the other hand, orthonitrophenol has intermolecular hydrogen bonding and therefore the intermolecular attraction towards solvent water is weak. The stronger is the intermolecular attraction between solute and solvent, higher is the solubility. Hence, paranitrophenol has higher solubility in water and then that of orthonitrophenol. Conclusion: to understand the methods of preparation and physical properties of alcohol, phenol and ether. Thank you.